manzozo Joselinda beshisayo Noma isimo simanzozo Joselinda beshisayo Noma isimo simanzozo Joselinda beshisayo Noma isimo simanzozo
Fanele le ndaba icace manje ukuthi kwenzakalani. At some point I called the guys and say, guys, asikho isidingo sokuthi silwe lana, let us go asambeni. Siyeke abantu ekufanele badla ngoba sihlulekile enkundleni. That fine. Ngoba sihlulekile enkundleni ayekho umuntu ongadliwa, sikuyadliwa yonke into. Ngisho i-team enkulu iyadliwa noma ikephi. You understand? It's fine, ngiyayizwa le yama rules. You understand? Ngiyayizwa le yama rules and I don't have a problem with it. And if it was a valid point to stop everything, to collapse everything, it's cool. It's cool. But here I'm having into yokuthi oh nkulunkulu wami. Okay, njengamanje it's 3 o'clock. Shower manje into wala ukuthi guys and abo bonke abantu manje bafikile ngibona khona manje all this stuff SABC ngeke lento iyonakala njengamanje this thing iyonakala and I'm busy telling the guys hey guys ngeke we are fine it's cool guys asiyeke la fanele badlale siphumele ngaphandle siyeke abantu manje angisakhulumi as a player ye gospel ehluliwe yawina kuma yayibashawa ama rules abanye bawina sengikhuluma nawe as a normal person oyifaka manje ezicathulweni zabanye abantu that have been doing this and they've brought these people ukuthi abazosakaza la. You understand? And bayalwa manje yabona manje bayathetha Andile bayathetha njengamanje khona umunye wayezama ukungena egroundini uyathetha Andile uthi phuma because they understand their work. We are here to support people. This thing must go on. Kuyaliwa njengamanje at the back of my mind and say ngine-fear manje ukuthi lento enhle kangaka. It was not even about imali guys. We're all working ey'ndaweni zethu siyasebenza siyayithola imali. This was not about imali. You understand? So segment angazi how many times did I go to certain people and say guys asiyeke lento siye abantu badlale labe kufanele badlale so dlala ngonyaka ozayo because kufanele uyifake ecathweni ukuthi ngonyaka odlala so dlala. Can you imagine bonke labantu laba and I know ukuthi Big Zulu, Khuzani, with the other people, I know how the involvement yabo kulento. So mina sengicabangela bona manje ukuthi I think iphupho labo manje liyalimala because of this. Let us forget about the rules. Let us be brothers njengamanje. Sicabange and do this resolve late because it's ayikho that deep. Ngokwami ayikho that deep. Let sifuna nje ukuthi let me swallow my pride. Let me tell these people to do lente fanele bayenze. So now, if you are missing kamuga lapho certainly look, this thing could have been collapsed by Maskandi people because bayazi bana makanda could have been collapsed by anyone, Kwaito. And here we are at stake. We have a gospel. Now, when you come back to gospel, we're supposed to be people that are leading this in a different way. Now, finally see keep like singabantu abanomali. Let us now show sibe nento yozwelo get fine things khona izinto engagcinwanga hence why ngiqaleni ukuthi that's why I even said that time ukuthi mengangena emathimini namateam akhona izinto ongayithola and pick it up. You understand? We pick it up and say, look, it was wrong. Look, it was wrong. So if you know what now you have something that you did wrong and you're right, that was not supposed to be here. As a result, there are a lot of gospel singers that want to play that were not there. Nkuluma abaculi base Joburg that are playing soccer bakhona bo Ayanda Shange, they want to be the part of the team and Ngiyabaz badlala ibhola. There are a lot of people, you understand, because now it became wonke umuntu wayelapha. The only person ongeyena wase KZN was uJabu futhi naka sitholanga ischeme akadlalanga waseMpumalanga. You understand? So now, this is my point. Yokuthi, where I'm standing right now is that lawo magame kwakufanele adlale. Because we are Christian, we're supposed to give Leo character. Look, guys, we are Christian, yes, there are rules, but njengamanje kunokuqoqisa this big company like SABC. SABC, it's $1 million company. Ukuthi manje sekuzofanele uhambe ngesinqumo somuntu oyedwa and forget about all these people or sabantu ababili abangavumelani, which is uTira noDumi. It's bad. It's a bad thing. And let me portray esinye isithombe sokuthi siyakwazi ukugwinya whatever and let into iqhubeke smooth and deal with it later. That is my point. And unfortunately ngango eraser if I was given a chance ukuthi assignment so ngathi mina singalwini guys ngoba lemdlalo izophazamiseka make yaphazamiseka isisiphazamisa sonke naba I can imagine because for those games to happen kuneimali zabantu abayifakayo not mina ngikhuluma njengomhleli ke mina ngikhuluma as someone ofike nje ngo last day efike sezodlala but I know ukuthi kuhleliwe. So that is my point. Ofuna ukungibiza ngeqoka kangibizi but this is where I'm coming from. Mokuthi lokhu ngiyenza ngibe yiqoka ukuthi I'm standing with ukuthi lokhu bekufanele bengafanele ama games amiswe bekufanele ama games adlalwe. You understand? So that is my point. If ungenza ngibe yiqoki because I didn't keep the rules, so these games are there. It's not even a professional games. Ngoba khona nathi khona idudle engangathi engekho good enough engakwazi ukudlala ezokhathala yilokho abantu abakuzele. Abantu bafuna ukusibona sikhathala siginqika lapha siwaphansi sishumpuza ibhola liphume la abantu bajabule. Uyabona ukwenza umzekelo for what I'm talking about. Anyone who is grounding angakutshela ukuthi inhlokomo yayiba ngakanani ibhola lingakafiki ngisho kumina liseza lisasendleleni caca ukuthi libheke kuyena. Abantu bafuna ukubona ukuthi uzolireceive kanjani uzolicisha kanjani uzoliphasa kanjani. Those are celebrity games. You understand? So, uma ngabe ingafixwa lento yobuso obungaziwa kuma celebrity games, iyona into ezocollapse yonke lento ife finish nya. So, it's the last time in comment ngayo. That's my final view. That's why ngingamile non-demanded because I really believe ukuthi isinqumo was personal. Isinqumo was not communicated with the team. Isinqumo was based on how he feels as a captain, which is fine. But at least si brief ukuthi na into engiyoyilwela uze ukuthi are we in support him because beso raise lama point swap raise a change room siye lapha sazi ukuthi siyolwelana singalwiswi impela singayazi ukuthi ibhekephi isicoco sakhona sositholaphi. You understand? So that is my view. Be honest injalo. I'm not hating anyone and I cannot hate anyone based on this. I'm just gonna speak iqiniso linjengoba linjalo ngijwayeleke vele mina nginalibhajani lokuthi whenever ngibeka umbono ngibe umuntu omubi kwabanye abantu ngibe umuntu ongekho right. Yabo ngomile manje ngile monta awake amanzi. Lokho kusho ukuthi kufanele ngivale lenkulumo. That's where I'm standing. Angibona ama comment enu. Ngiwafunda later nami njengabanye abantu but as much as zikhona izinto engayibekanga azisena sidingo njengamanje but sengibuyele kulesinqumo sokuthi why did I chose to stand ngibe qekelele ngime ngedwa ngithi at the end of the day kwakufanele adlalwe ama games kwakufanele adlalwe by whoever even if you quite right siwinile grounding which happened na into engihlekisa kakhulu nge-second half asibuyanga kwase kufakwa labantu ecabanga ukuthi ba good enough bazosiza team but they didn't. Obviously that thing yokuthi kunabantu that are being prioritized over abanikazi be game bese prioritize labo bantu kuthiwa kunobani abazosiza sisizwa kanjani siwine ngalento siwine ngalabantu laba last years yibe siwine ngabo bekukhona bona labantu laba so sebezosizwani what's different njengamanje because I believe babezoyibamba igame so bafakwa labantu sangabuya sahlala sabukela Ovela nje ubuhleli lapha ngaphandle inhliziyo yasho ukuthi cha laba ngijwayela kabi laba yinje abangikhiphele ngoba kuyadlalwa lana. It's not akukho that deep man. It's not that deep. Ayikho nje that deep. Akuyona UEFA lena. These are celebrity games. You understand? So ngisamile nje kuthenini guys, whatever happens, if even to oban the 4 captains ngongavumelani kwabo. Mhlamba ngalokho ngiphuma noDumi yedwa engazuthi nginenkinga naye. The 4 captains ungavumelani kwabo, whoever owaye disagree kuyo yonke lento. Uyena ke mina ngithi uyena wafanele ashintshe, uyena impela waye wrong. Lo waye disagree ukuthi awaqhubeka ama games, uyena waye wrong. So that is my point, that is my view. Ama games wafanele adlale on the day, whether rules or no rules. Wasefanele siphume. Yabona into yokubench it's okay akhona ama rules, but ama rules are there to be. Akhona ama rules uzabreakwe vele anyway. Ama rules akhona nasemgaqweni kuba khona amaphoyisa ube khona umuntu ozo awabe khona ama rules ukuze ezobreak ngoba nathi vele sasesiwa breakile saletha abantu abangadlala abadlala ibhola professionally with whatsoever. Because phela khona impuphu lapha ze gospel vele abazilutho labantu lapha yabona nje mina ngakho ngithi njengoba ngisho lento ngisho once and for all mibe ngafuna ukuthi ungibuyisa next year nginankinga vela ngemidlalo webhola ngiyacula mina kodwa ngiyabona lento lezo divide sisodwa ke manje ekubeni kufanele kungabe yasihlanganisa because we are nento nje oyibona ukuthi no man mina akangithanda uba sendaweni la ngavele uwishwa khona. Without I'm talking about praise, but way value yami bengayiboni ngine value mina la ngihamba khona ngine value. So la ngekho engena khona value, I excuse myself ngiye la ngine value khona. So this is the problem. That's why I see la it because mina ngokwami njoba sisuke sihamba siya lapha sisuke thina siyo support uDumi nezinqumo zakhe ekubeni fanele abuya azoxoxa nathi fanele ngabe uye oyos representa what we stand for. Ukube kwakunjalo kwakuphuma igama elilodwa ngabe simile na ngabe sonke sibhala into efanayo. Ngikhuluma ngalabo mina abanye abancethezayo abafuna ukuthi benze ini abafuna ukuthi basupport ngoba bethoyikhulume cha ngoba yenzala in public asishare phela in public ngoba vele we are not as prefer vele ukuthi yini impi eyani impi. So sifanele ngiviwe ngokwami ezuthi nana ama beliefs ami ngithi impi la hayi mina ngiyibona kanje akwenzeke kanje uyabo nami right yami leyo to share it. Ngiyazi kwakhona nangawo lo live uyabona inqwaba ke vele sengiblockile Nkosi yami ekade sazwana naye ngadecide ukuyiblocker because bona ke beze bazongiqonda straight but you are wrong. Ngabachazela isizathu baqhubeka ngathi vele lo ngablocker ngashare eceleni ngaqhubeka nempilo because I cannot stand for ngiyangikwazi mina angikhoni bafethu angikhoni enzale ngeSunday ibe wrong kwaphela kanjalo lesine namhlanje and ngiyabona ama comment lokho ngenele. If you decide ukuqhubeka sizwile view yami ukuthi why ngime simene sinqume ngime kusona because it was unfair to many people, to the organizers, to everyone. Ekwakufanele benze lo lasuku lube impumelelo. It was a very unfair decision that was taken, especially amanye aqhamuka ngeside le gospel angikho right ngalokho. I suppose kwakufanele kube umaskandi ngoba leziyana ziyayishova leziyana inkani kufanele kube umaskandi but lokho amaskandi wayinento ethi ngifaka imali yami la mhlawumbe naye wayeyoma okanye mhlawumbe kube ngabe ngiyazi kube kwawukhona umzala wami uManqele ngiyazi uyashova uManqele umzala wami athi ngeke uze kwenze ngango understand but if it come from my fellow brother ukuthi sekufanele kumisa umdlala because mina ngokwami was disappointed but it's fine. Life iyaqhubeka as I said ngesixatshaniswe ibhola but sengithi ukuze ngingasali nami ngekho right lokho kube ngazothi konke engisabayo anginqeni lutho ukuzondwa abantu bayakhona ukuzonda whether uyazwana nomuntu noma uzwana bayakhona nje ukuzonda but they always find a reason yokuzonda. So this one I want to share ukuthi ngiqhamuka ngapi, why am I standing in what I'm standing in. Ileyo nje ama views ami. Games were supposed to continue, games were supposed to be played regardless of the rules, beliefs and all the stuff. Ngoba besingakhulumi lapha ngeprofessionalism and all the stuff. Besikhuluma ngama celebrity games. guys sengiqedile sengofunda nami kuma-comment ukuze ngalokho ngoba ngilongiphendulana nani la ngigcina ngaqedanga vele khona engikhohliwe the valid points engakhohliwe ngizowaphosa futhi ngesinye isikhathi kodwa ngesifiso sami this is the last live regarding ama-celebrity games that were on Sunday. Osabhilive ukuthi ngiqoki okwakhe ibelief yakhe naye but ngichaza lento engiyichazayo. Le nje bengichaza futhi ngichaze ngesikhathi esi-right ngiqameni baningi ngangango futhi ngabe nani nilele niyabona nani uthi anilali nilibele yindaba but ngichaza lento engiyichazayo qedile futhi ngiyoqhubela nempilo yami ngiyocula ngiyoqhubeka nempilo and do that. Mekwenzeka find a common ground for next year, we'll find it. Singayitholi impilo vele iyaqhubeka. That's it. You understand? Sengiqedile ngozungu mina. Ngozungu. I always share my view because I believe in myself and I believe ukuthi ayikho into engiyenza out of ama reasons seceleni. I always view izinto bese ngiyayiqonda ukuthi this is supposed to happen like this. Mangabe ngafanele akufanele, mabe kufanele kufanele, and I would share it as it is with anyone. Ukuthi look bekufanele kwenzeke, look bengafanele. As long as kufanele ngibe ne point ukuthi ngithini, as long as ngifakwa ngiyangena ke manje ke ngiyanichazela ke. Ngoba nokungifaka ngithulele ngiseceleni na Sunday bengizama ukuchaza yona lento. Lokuthiwa ngiqoki. Hayi ke naliki iqoki njengamanje lichaza lento ekufanele lichaze. Sengiqedile futhi njengamanje. Ngiqedile ngiqhubeka nempilo. Bye bye guys. uNkulunkulu akanibusise ekseni. Bengizochaza lento sengiyahamba futhi ngiyobuyela engubeni ngoba bengasalaleki. Yabo nje after ngifundele yalokho uzana yibo maningi ama message direct nje kumina. Uyiqoki uzonda uDumi awumfuni uDumi usuwenza ngathi uyadlala nto ungadlala ngidlali vele bengafanele ama game ngidlali. Bye.